Hello dear friends. First of all, if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it so that you will get the notifications of the upcoming videos. I am Sachin H. Joshi, J.V. Mehta, Navyug Junior College, Khamgaon, District Buldana. Subject English, Class 12th. Topic Appeal Writing. Page number 64 and 102 of your textbook. Marks 4. So let's go for the topic Appeal Writing. Next slide. So before we start, let's know the importance of appeal writing. An appeal is the best and cheapest way to reach maximum number of people. In case of any disaster or in calamity like earthquake, flood, drought, you want to help the affected people by donation, and the best way to reach the donors is through an appeal. Many times we arrange camps, rallies for certain noble reasons such as blood donation camp, tree plantation, cleanliness campaign, about environmental problems, against bad habits such as chewing tobacco, smoking, and so on. At that time, we generally appeal to the people to join the campaign or rally, and we have to print an appeal in the form of pamphlet. Dear friends, the purpose of appeal writing is to encourage the people to participate in the campaign. So let's know how to write an appeal. मित्रांनो, नैसर्गिक संकट आपल्यासाठी काही नवीन नाही. पूर, दुष्काळ, भूकंप, आग अशा नैसर्गिक संकटांमुळे जनजीवन बऱ्याच अंशी प्रभावित झालेलं असते. अशा वेळी संकटग्रस्त लोकांना मदत करण्यासाठी बऱ्याचशा स्वयंसेवी संस्था, दानदाते पुढे येत असतात. लोकांनी या मदतीच्या कार्यात सहभागी व्हावे ही रास्त अपेक्षा असते. लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचण्याचा एक उत्तम मार्ग म्हणजे अपील मराठीमध्ये आवाहन करणे होय. त्यासाठी आपण सदर मजकूर एखाद्या कागदी पत्रकावर छापतो व तो लोकांमध्ये वितरित करतो. बऱ्याच वेळा आपण एखाद्या महनीय उद्देशाने जसे की रक्तदान शिबिर, स्वच्छता अभियान, वृक्षारोपण, पर्यावरण समस्यांच्या संदर्भात जनजागृती करण्यासाठी कुठले तरी शिबिर अथवा एखादी मिरवणूक वगैरे काढत असतो. त्याची माहिती लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी सुद्धा आपण या छापील पत्रकांचा अर्थात पॉम्पलेट्सचा वापर करत असतो. तर मित्रांनो, चला शिकूया या अपील अर्थात आवाहन चे लेखन कसे करायचे. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Dear friends, now here while writing the answer of the question and appeal, please remember these points to remember while writing an appeal. Here, use different fonts of letters. The subject and organizer's name should be written in bold font. Here, the main information should be written in the bold font. Use slogans related with the topic. You have to use the slogans. Narrate the importance. Write the venue, date, and time. Make a persuasive appeal. Use logos related with the topic if asked. If you are asked to use the logos, then you have to use the logos which must be related with the topic. Next slide. So dear friends, appeals are the part and parcel of our life. We see many appeals throughout the day. Here I put forth some examples of appeal writing in the following slides. Just go for the slides for the examples. These examples obviously helps you to understand this topic very good, very well. Next slide. Now here, these are the appeals. I have downloaded these appeals from the internet so that you can understand this topic. Next slide. This is about donate blood and save life. This is about flood relief appeal, Kerala and Karnataka flood relief appeal. Next slide. This is about the Nepal earthquake affected people. Nepal earthquake affected people helping appeal. Next slide. Here again flood relief appeal related with Kerala. Again earthquake and tsunami relief appeal of Indonesia. Here flood relief appeal related with Gaza and so on. So dear friends, these are the examples of appeal you have seen in the last slides. Now how the question will be asked in the examination. Here it is the question. In this way the question will be asked in the examination. Question. Your college has arranged a blood donation camp. Prepare an appeal to persuade people to join the camp. You can take help of the following points. Next slide. Narrate the importance of blood donation. Use logos. Make a persuasive appeal. Mention venue, date and time. Add your own points. Now dear friends, in this way the question will be asked in the examination. Next slide. How we have to answer this question? Next slide. Here it is the answer of this question. Dear friends, use the full scape of your paper, question the answer paper, and here look at this. I have written the main title in bold font. Blood donation camp, donate blood, donate blood. It is written in bold font. I have used the logo here. Okay. So in this way, this should be the format. Answer. Let's go for the answer. Blood donation camp. Donate blood, donate blood. Dear friends, our college has arranged a blood donation camp on 15th August at 10 a.m. So please join us. Next slide. Here continues. Who can donate blood? Any healthy person, man or woman, of proper age group, means between 18 to 65 years old and of proper weight, can donate his or her blood twice or thrice in a year. So please join us, join us, join us. Here again I have used the next logo of blood donation related with blood donation. Next slide. Continues. Dear friends, blood donation is life donation. In our India, thousands of our Indian brothers and sisters lose their life in fatal road accidents only because they don't get blood of their blood group. Friends, we can save their life by donating blood. So come forward for the worthy cause. Next slide. Question continues, answer continues here. When you donate blood, you save somebody's life. So come forward one and all and donate blood. Venue, JVM Junior College, Akola. Date, 15th August 2019. Time, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So dear friends, in this way, you have to answer the question. You have to write the appeal. Okay, let's go for the next slide. Homework. Now here, question. Prepare an appeal for the help of flood affected people of Kolhapur. Use the following points. Use attractive slogans. Make an appeal. Suggest different ways of sending help. Add your own points. Now here, in this way, the question will be asked and you have to respond that questions. Now, let's go for the next slide. Dear friends, complete your homework and send it on my WhatsApp profile. Best wishes. Thank you.